earned 1,000 dollars daily from Google News. Earned money from Google. 2021 earned $1,000 daily from Google News. Earned money from Google. 2021. This work for everyone around the world, and it's one of the easiest way to make money online. Make money online since there's so certain, no affiliate marketing, no social media follower needed, and no review experience required. You just need to copy and paste some text, and if you stay until the end of this B2B marketing digital, you will be able to make a lot more money because I will be showing you three additional websites from which you can get paid. And well, so if you don't want to get through PayPal, you can select different payment options like bank transfer, Payoneer, and anywhere. Begin right step number one. Come over Google. Come set up number two. You want to search for Google News on a search for console Google Play. I want to open on this first official website, googlenews.com. This is the place where you can find the last news and the last articles on all the topics around the world. So it like newspapers, so you can find everything on here: news about policy, about business, technology, entertainment, sport and science, health, history, and whatever you can think of, you can find it's on of this website. How will these make you money? How will you get your free paper money while stay on, and you will see exactly how the work. So here on of the left hand side you have all the categories. You have news about the world. This is about what happening in the world right now. You have your own local news, which is something that we will not focus on. You simply want to focus online on business, technology, entertainment, sport, science, and mostly health. You can see, for example, if you select the health category, that is going to give me all of the latest news and all the latest articles related to health, solid, social, small, and let find something interesting on here. So I am interested in the article which was uploaded just recently, and it's really good articles that lot of people would click on. So what you need to do is open up an article. You just you you will just need to scroll a little bit down below until you can find the selection where you can find their content information. So you can just copy their email address, go to your email, and just email them with subject line telling submission or article submission or something alone. Website is that they will ask you only for up to thousand k dollar what, and they will pay you around.